Hi guys, welcome back to Techie. Today we are going to see about how to serve media files using Django. Uh, so I'll be sharing my screen. Wait. Okay. Yeah. So there were few comments I received in the last video on deploying the Django application on iOS. How to serve these media files. Actually, there were by various methods. I'll be telling about some of the methods. One of the method is using IIS by virtual directory. We'll be seeing what are the pros and cons of this method also. And second method is related to Django URLs. It is by using media directory. And another method is using views. We'll be covering its own advantages, how we can secure the views of serving the media files, depending on authentication and authorization, only to the limited users, only to the limited roles that media files need to be accessible. So all these things we can see, we can do using this Django views. Okay, let's start this demonstration. So in the last video, we have seen how to deploy the Django on iOS. If you have not seen this video, I'll be placing the card of this video on this video, so you can watch it and come back to this video again. Okay. Now this is hosted on 5032. So let's see whether this is coming or not. Localhost colon will directly access admin portal. Uh, yeah, it is working fine. So I placed basically I have placed a media folder here. I created media folder and one another folder private media. You can see what content in the media folder. This is image, some image we want to serve using various methods, and another private media PR. This is another image. Okay. So let's see whether it is directly accessible now using the hosted platform media/media img.jpg. Yeah, right. So it is not accessible. Whether the name of the media img is same, media img.jpg. Yeah, but it is not accessible. So let's see the first method I'm talking about using virtual directory. So basically, you need to click on your app on iOS. Next, click on Add Virtual Directory, and you need to give media as alias, whatever path you want there. And physical path we need to mention here. So here downloads, so tech videos, Django Fast app, and my project and media. Yeah, it's great. Okay. Media, it is created as virtual directory now. But one thing, well, let's see again, whether is it still accessible or not. It's still not accessible. So what you need to do, go to handle mappings, and it is still the mapping here is it is still handling by Django first handler. The handler which we written for the serving Django application. Basically, it is inherited from the parent handler mapping which we created in the last video. So what we need to do is go to that media and handler mappings, go to this and remove. Yeah. So I have deleted. Now let's check whether Yeah, successfully we are able to serve the media file using IIS virtual directory. So what is the problem using IIS virtual directory is so what are all the files you place here, it will be accessible to all the users, all the public over the internet. So it is not a like you cannot secure basically. We need I don't know how to secure the files in the IIS virtual directory. We need to explore. Okay, if I get to know in future, I'll be making the video on on that also. So now let's see another way to save the files is using Django URLs. So let's revert back the changes whatever we did here. So what we did, media files. So I'll just remove that virtual directory. Remove, yes. So that virtual directory symbol get removed. Handler mappings also will revert back. What we need to do, revert to parent. So on yes, you got back the Django first app handler. So now, what we'll do is is okay. Now we'll use the Django URLs. What I was talking about. Okay. So basically, what you need to create is there are like I have pre-written two steps. You need to write media URL, mention what is the folder name, media root. This is basically based where your media root folder present. So media like just wait a minute. So it's present in my project media folder, right? Now to serve this, we have written media URL is slash media we want to serve, and media root it is present in base directory in beside in media folder. So in URLs, what you need to write is basically this step I have commented. What is this? We'll check. See URL patterns. What we are serving URL patterns. We are adding static settings dot media URL. Media URL is slash media and document root. So for every file, it will create a one URL and it is a list. It basically it returns the list. So it is appended to the URLs. And what we are telling is, uh, yeah, I'll just comment this one also. Basically, I'll explain that step also later. So now I have saved it. Whether I saved this one also? Yes, I have saved. Now let's just so it's still accessible. Yeah, it is accessible. So it's great. So previously we have seen one of the step. Basically in production, people will use settings.debug. What is this debug? In settings folder, it is defined, right? In settings folder, debug. We'll search over it. Debug equal to false. So in development and testing environment, people will use this flag as true. So all the traces of errors and where the error occurred and to serve the media files in the development environment. Basically, we are not serving using IIS, right? So people will use this setting here. So now let's just check. What we are telling is if in development environment only you serve this file, right? Uh, debug equal to false. Let's give it is not a debug. Means, it is a not a development environment now. So it's it is I mean settings debug equal to false. Let's open in IS. So actually, I think it is serving through cache over there. I think so. Now we'll write debug equal to true. Okay. So whether it is coming or not, we'll see. Yeah, it's coming. That's great. So you understood, right? In development environment, it is used like that. So, but problem here is again, all the files listed in that media folder, it will be accessible. So, how to control based on user roles, user authentication, and how to serve the files using the Django views. That is it is one of the secure method, I say, secure method. So I'll be showing this. Okay, yeah. So in views, I was talking about. I have already code snippet. I'll just explain this code snippet also again. So what in one of the method is serve private file. Whenever request comes using like one of the file name, then it will check whether this file is present in that file path or not. So we are here, we have again settings dot private media root. So private media root, if you see, it is a private media folder. So in private media folder, what we see in here is private one of the image we have placed here for demonstration. So if it present, we are telling basically return the file response. Else raise a error file not found. So this is simple methods, and we need similarly this URL serving we need to append in Django. So again, commented it out secure in using the path secure files and whatever the file name you parameter you get in the URL flash string file name, and it is served by views secure file private file name and name is secure file. Okay. So all this you have done. First let's see without this decorator login required, whether it is coming or not. Okay. So let's copy this URL again. And what is the secure files and media PR, right? Yeah, I'm able to successfully access. So now I want to protect this file. Who are login only, they will be only able to access. So I'm saving it again, whether it is accessible. So it is saying you cannot access this page not found. So basically, that error, that debug trace you found because this is enabled. False if you keep not found. Anyway, the requested resource so for unauthenticated users, it will be not able to access. Let's log in and just check whether you will be able to access after login or not. So just I'm logging using admin. One two admin. Yeah. So I have logged in. So let's just check secure files slash media pr dot jpg. Yeah, I'm able to access successfully. So basically, it shows for authenticated users, they will be able to access. So these are the three methods I have shown in this video to share the media files. Hope you like the content. Do like and subscribe for more videos. I'll be providing the code snippet in the description of this video also. Do check you check out this content. Thank you. Thank you guys.